allegations until they have been proven whether to be true or not by the court of law. And as we speak, this matter remains to be sub judice because IPED is probing the very same allegations that are labeled against the Provincial Commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal, General Mkhwanazi. And we must mention that to say it remains to be our principle as a union that we really don't try our members, whether they are junior or senior members, on the media. That is why we really want to let the law take its course in this regard. But we must mention, Tembegile, to say that we know that we have seen efforts that are being made by General Mkhwanazi in fighting crime in KwaZulu-Natal. And this may be a political influence type of a matter. We are suspecting that. We cannot confirm. And we must also mention that the work that is being done by General Mkhwanazi in fighting crime KwaZulu-Natal and also not allowing political influence. So that is why that's what gives us, a suspicion to say it could be politically motivated.
Why is that? Why would politicians target a